Okay, so this is someone who's right in that Highland Park area. If I can't really see the sign, but I'm going to assume that is the ramp leading up to the Highland Park Bridge.
Yeah, it looks like it. You can see also the wind blowing. Do you see some of that? And then look at the upper right corner. You can see a lot of traffic, but the very dark and ominous looking clouds there.
And so I'm assuming where Rich is, oh, you just saw part of the tree come down. You see that,
Yeah.
Stephen?
Yeah. Even, just look at those winds. I mean, they're really whipping.
That's actually.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, we saw that tree come down in the back. And Stephen, talk to us about, we normally think of tornadoes and we think of, the wide open spaces, but how unusual is it to see something like this?
Well, there's a misnomer, a myth that people think so. The tornadoes will not hit a city. They've hit Mount Washington, and so that myth is up. Wow. That is amazing.
Yeah, that's very frightening. We are out of time here, finishing up our continuous coverage, but as Stephen was saying, that this is all going to be moving out within the next hour or so. There is still flash flood warning until 8:15 this evening.
And we will have much more on the tornadoes that have touched down in our area tonight on 11 and 11.
Shopping for drinks.